Unlocking the secrets of muscle tone improvement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonders of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's not only popular in fitness circles but also carries a lot of weight in our everyday conversations. Improve muscle tone. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone curious about enhancing your English vocabulary, this video is crafted for you. Let's decode the meaning, usage, and context of this phrase together. To improve muscle tone means to enhance the firmness and definition of the muscles through physical activity and nutrition. Muscle tone refers to the continuous and passive partial contraction of the muscles, or the muscle's resistance to passive stretch during resting state. It's not just about bulking up. It's about making your muscles more visible, defined, and strong. This phrase is often used in the context of fitness, health, and personal appearance goals. Let's dissect the phrase for a better understanding. Improve. This verb suggests making something better or enhancing its quality. Muscle. A muscle is a band or bundle of fibrous tissue in a human or animal body that has the ability to contract, producing movement or maintaining the position of parts of the body. Tone. In this context, tone refers to the state of partial contraction of the muscles, which gives them a firm appearance. Combining these elements, improve muscle tone is about enhancing the firmness and aesthetic appearance of one's muscles through specific actions. Improving muscle tone involves a combination of exercise, nutrition, and lifestyle changes. Here are some key strategies. 1. Strength training. Engaging in regular strength training exercises, like lifting weights or body weight exercises, to challenge your muscles. 2. Consistency. Maintaining a regular workout schedule to continually challenge and strengthen the muscles. 3. Balanced diet. Eating a nutritious diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to fuel your muscles and aid in recovery. 4. Hydration. Keeping the body well hydrated to ensure optimal muscle function and recovery. 5. Rest. Allowing adequate rest and recovery time between workouts to let the muscles repair and grow. Improving muscle tone is not just about looking good. It has significant health benefits, including increased metabolism. More muscle mass can lead to a higher metabolic rate, helping in weight management. Enhanced strength and stamina. Improved muscle tone can increase overall physical strength and stamina, making daily activities easier. Injury prevention. Stronger muscles and better muscle tone can help protect joints and reduce the risk of injury. Improved posture. Strong and toned muscles support better posture, which can alleviate back and neck pain. Improving muscle tone is a journey that combines discipline, knowledge, and persistence. It's not just a physical transformation but a lifestyle change that enhances both your appearance and your health. We hope this video has illuminated the path to achieving better muscle tone and inspired you to embrace the process. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making progress towards a healthier, stronger you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Stay strong and stay toned.